This question says, consider the reaction coordinate diagram below. Which statement is false? All right, so even before we kind of look at what our answer choices are, we could just look at the reaction coordinate diagram and think some things through. So that's what I'm going to do. If I just look at my reaction coordinate diagram, I've got my reactants on the left-hand side and my products on the right-hand side. I've got 3 transition states. And I have 2 intermediates. So right off the bat, it's kind of important just to think about, what is our reaction coordinate diagram telling us? Another key piece of information is if we look at the products compared to the reactants, we would have a negative delta G here. So that means this is a spontaneous process because of negative delta G. And we know that KEQ will be greater than 1 because of its relationship with delta G. And that means that the products are favored over the reactants. All right, so just looking at this, let's now take a look at our answer choices and kind of think them through and see if that's a little bit easier now that we've thought about our reaction coordinate diagram. So statement number 1, this reaction has 3 transition states. So we decided that was true. All right, so definitely not false, which is what we're looking for. Number 2, the reaction is endergonic. This is a false statement because we already decided that it's exergonic because of the negative delta G value. Okay, last. The slowest step of this reaction is step 1, and that's not something that we thought about right off the bat, but we can apply it now. The slowest step of the reaction is going to be the one that has the largest activation barrier, right? So that's what we call the rate determining step. So if we look at all of our activation barriers, we have this first one right here, we have a second one, and then a third one right here. The largest one is in step number 1. Okay, so statement number 3, the slowest step of this reaction is step 1, is going to be a true statement. Okay, so the only false statement is the reaction is endergonic. So our answer choice for this question is going to be B. 2 only is false. Answers 1 and 3 are true.